Hey, Grant here. Today I want to show you, this is a corner mount to hold a TV up. And it's by Perlegear. And it's very simple, straightforward. Looks like a lot of stuff when you get in the box, but it's not really. So the reason this is in the corner, you can turn this out this way, turn this out this way, move it out that way. Be it at an angle. This will also go forward, down or up. You can adjust it back with this little handle right here. It's a neat little TV holder mount, and it, like I said, it works for in the corner like that. We're putting this in the bedroom where the best mount for it, the only mount we had would be in the corner. Just so you don't keep reading and trying to figure out which screws go where. It's very easy. When you put these arms in here, it'll tell you to have the largest hole on this part here, the largest hole facing forward. And you have four of these type screws. And those are the kind, this is where they go, right there, on your square. So, and then when you're out here, you put these smaller screws on these end pieces. And these are the smallest screws that you'll have to choose from, these two on the end pieces. Okay, now this is the back of the TV. And these are the two mounts that come with the corner mount holders, TV holders. So, and these are the tabs I was talking about. So as you can see right here, this is the hook that you just merely carry the TV in there and put it up and hook it over top of the holder, and then there'll be an arm coming through down here. You just flip that over that and put the screw down in there, and you're done. Okay, so I brought the TV in and I've hung it on the mount. So see right here, is where it just hangs over the edge on both sides. And then down here, this is the tab I was telling you about. You just flip it up, draw the screw in there, and it secures the TV onto the mount. And there, now we have it mounted. Nice corner mount. So that's it, the nice corner TV mount. I hope this helps. I hope to see you again.